time for me to get something to eat, because from this morning, all me have this morning is a cup of mint tea to catch up my stomach. Yeah. That's how we Jamaicans say. You have little thing that for go catch up your stomach. Yeah, it's a cup of mint tea I drink for morning. I haven't eaten anything yet all morning. And it's now 10 minutes to 5. And that's on my tongue still. That's where we are come from, all the way down this. And we are going right across the bridge. We're going to walk right across the bridge, you know. Okay, these are what inside of the River Thames. So them say inner River Thames, huh? So I'm going this side. It's called Battersea Reach. So this part right of Battersea and Wandsworth join together. That's the Wandsworth bridge, yeah?
Yeah, because it's high tide.
Ow! So this side is Battersea. This are probably sure we did come in through there, sir. But now we are going up here, sir. Oh God, we couldn't live in them places still. We're not gonna tell you no lie. Them kind of places, flat this up, flat to the right, flat to the left. I couldn't live in them places. No, Baba. No, sir. We have to live in our house. We can't. No, Baba. We couldn't live there. couldn't be enclosed somehow, closing too much. No, sir, me want Kingstonian. Me know them type, me couldn't be putting myself in them kind of place to live. Enclosed like this place. This place, no, sir. But, thing again, this is no Jamaica, this is England, and that's how them live. Them have house still. Them have house outside, but along the Thames, them like to put up a lot of flats, so a lot of people can get the view of the flat and thing, off the river. And them expensive, well. Them expensive, no, what's it not? Yeah, man. Them look nice still. Them really look nice for there. For like videos and people for see them and stuff like that on YouTube and stuff. But yeah, some people love it, some people like it, some people pay them money for them. All them expensive, and me I tell you, say, all of them is full. All of them is full. So different strokes for different folks. Basically that. Different strokes for different folks. What is not for me is for someone else. Smile or dental. Thank you for visiting Battersea Reach. Well, I just take my time. So back on the bridge now. So I just take my time, make my way back. Battery are done. Battery might done by the time I reach my car. This is the view from on the bridge.